Hi, welcome back to the channel. We have this exponential equation. It says 8 raised to power x minus 2 is the same thing as 4 raised to power 3x. We have to solve for x. You will come across exponential equations in GCSE, WAEC, or JAMB questions. They are very common questions. Now, I have 8. I can express 8 as 2 raised to power 3, and this will be 2 raised to power 3 x minus 2 equals 4. 4 is 2 raised to power 2. Definitely this is 3x. So that's 2 raised to power 3x minus 6 is the same thing as 2 raised to power 6x. Now, since the base are equal, I can equate powers. So that 3x minus 6 will be the same thing as 6x. So that minus 6 will be the same thing as 6x minus 3. I've only collected like terms. I've moved ax to this side. So that obviously my minus 6 is the same thing as, or this is 3x, is the same thing as 3x. X obviously dividing both sides by 3 is minus 6 over 3. 3 here is 1, 3 and 6 is 2. X is the same thing as minus 2. X is equals to minus 2. In case you have questions or comments, we'll be glad to have it in our comment section. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.